Hi friends, I'm Smita Katti. I blog at smilingcolors.com and many of you know me as The Shininess on Instagram. In today's video, I am unboxing the latest VIP Club Kit by Tombow. This is a fun box. I've done many unboxing videos of these and these boxes tend to sell out quickly, so I'll make this video short so that if you like what you see, you can go shopping. Now I am on the Tombow USA's design team and that's why I have the box in my hand a few days earlier. And I share these unboxing videos because I love pens, I love markers, I love colorful things, so I unbox these live only because I love these boxes and I love sharing them with you. So without much more talking, let's start unboxing. So the first thing I'm unboxing are these twin tone rainbow dual tip markers. But these are new rainbow colors, so these are 12 new colors. Now what fun is it if I show you a pack of markers without opening it, right? So let me go get a sketchbook and I'll show you how to play with these. And I'm just going to use these markers to doodle in a rainbow for myself. These pens are great to use in planners, bullet journaling. And here's a closer look at how the bullet tip colors. Pretty nice, right? And this is the pen tip. And this is the pen tip, and you can just go around and add finer details with it. Okay, moving on. Next in the box is some glue tapes. These are mini glue tapes, and I love the small size they are in. They're called Power Mini Glue Tapes, and these come in 3 colors. They'll be great for scrapbooking. Next up is some washi tape. They have 3 pack of washi tape. I love the rainbow theme they've continued. And I like decorating my dot journal with some washi tape, so I'm just going to do that here. And finally, inside the box is a pamphlet. Let's see what this is. How to create planner and journal doodles, and they have this nice step-by-step tutorial included. On the back, there's more. There's how to create fall calligraphy with the twin tones. So there you have it guys, that is this month's VIP Club Kit. So this month's box, if I'm not wrong, is priced at $25 instead of their usual $30. I will leave more information in my blog post that I type up about this. I'll see you again soon in another video. I'll be for sure using those rainbow markers in future videos. But till then, happy crafting friends!